Welcome to my new tutorial on the SmartAssistant channel. If you want to quickly and easily scan QR codes using the camera on your Samsung Galaxy phone, this tutorial is just what you need. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to enable this useful feature that can save you time and make it easier to access various content. Follow the steps and learn how to activate QR code scanning directly from the camera. So, first find your camera app and open it. Once you open the camera, find a QR code and try to scan it. You will notice that nothing happens. To enable QR code scanning, find the gear icon and tap it to access the settings. Once you're on the camera settings page, find the option called Scan QR Codes and tap the switch next to it to enable it. After you have activated QR code scanning, go back to the camera and try scanning a QR code again. Now the camera will automatically recognize the QR code, and an option will appear on the screen to open the link that leads to the desired content. You can also copy the link and save it for later, or share it with friends through other apps. And that would be all about enabling the QR code scanning option on your phone's camera. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, like it, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and see you very soon.